We are ready for the 303rd NFL game played here, the well-worn, history-filled Coliseum.
Hey, last home game of the year. We don't get no more. Trust me, you're gonna miss it now. Leave it all out here so you got no regrets all off season. No regrets. I tell you every week, you're gonna get everything that I got, I promise. Give me everything you got and watch how that takes care of itself. Let's get it. Win on three. 1, 2, 3. Win.
Underway on Christmas Eve.
So he drives it deep over the head of Harris. Let's see if they can hit it inside the 10. Harris says, I'm going to play this because I can. And look at the return he gets. What a smart move by Harris as he gets free. How about it, Raider Nation? Wow.
You got that juice. Yo! We'll take the lead. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it.
Second down, on the right side, daylight, end zone ahead, touchdown! Doug Martin dashes in.
Yeah!
Hey, let's go double up here now. Plenty of time. Let's go 21 zip at half. Come back out. We got the ball right after halftime.
Yep. Sounds good to me. Put on the show.
Let's run. Let's go. Yeah.
Oh, I love it. What's up?
Carr gets it on that in-cut, the slant to Nelson that time.
Seth, be ready. Everybody win now.
Comes pressure, and he finds Roberts. And Roberts able to drive through Justin Simmons and move the chains for 11 more. 3-yard attempt from Carlson. And not the prettiest rotation, but gets the result that they wanted to go up 17 to zip.
Great drive. Great drive. Great drive. Great drive. Love y'all. Great job. Great job. Great drive. Frank, good drive.
3rd down and 10. Able to escape for a moment, stay alive, tuck, run, and get it and more. Here they come on 2nd and 3. Lofts it to the end zone. And just what they needed, Deshaun Hamilton.
Go get some points, take their heart back out of it. Hey, take the field like you mean it now. Take the field like we're about to get points. All right? Fire them up now. Let's go. Play fast.
As he goes to the outside on 3rd and 3, and they will move the chains.
Here we go. Let's go now. Y'all ready? Yep. Let's get it.
6, Martin, as he's able to work behind the fullback Smith and then get to the outside.
This is a 2nd down and goal. The ball is on the Broncos 3-yard line. Carr will take the snap back into the shotgun. Richard cuts back, end zone, touchdown Raiders!
Now 2nd and 10, being chased by Key. A wobbler to the end zone and into the hands of Sutton. A 19-yard touchdown pass, Keenum to Sutton. Loud there with your back against the black hole. 2nd and 10 for Keenum. As that ball is intercepted by Gilchrist. And now a 4th and 19. As Keenum is in his own end zone. Airs it out downfield, and that is picked off as well. It's Eric Harris. So Gilchrist gets one, and Harris gets one, as Oakland looks to put an end to things here.
16 on the season.
Martin busts a tackle, breaks free, got a first down and goal. What a run by Martin. for 12 more yards.
It's over.
That's you, Oakland. Merry Christmas. Love y'all.
Way to send them out, fellas. Good job. All right, brother. Good to see you, brother.
A very memorable night here in Oakland. Raiders win it 27-14.